In front of me is OPPO A83 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Then to access the list of your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. And to manage it, hit select at the top right corner and select it. Then you can operate all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!